Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treats and thank you so much for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we are making this delicious tilapia and lamb soup. For our ingredients, we need 1 kilogram of lamb, we need some tilapia which I have cut into pieces, we need onion, ginger, garlic, pepper and some seasoning cube which is optional. We need fresh tomatoes, some tomato paste and some salt to taste. As usual, all ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. So we'll begin by blending our vegetables. We'll blend our onion, garlic, ginger and pepper. We'll add about 100 ml of water to the vegetables before blending. We'll then be seasoning our fish with some of our blended ingredients. We'll add some salt to it and wrap the fish very well with the seasoning. We'll allow this to marinate as we prep our other ingredients. Next, we'll be pouring the remaining blended ingredients over our lamb. We'll add about 200 ml of water to it. We'll then add our seasoning cube and some salt to taste. Mix everything up very well. And then place our fresh tomatoes into it. We'll cover it up and allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, we'll be taking out our tomatoes to blend. And we'll then add our tomato paste and mix everything well together. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet and turn on your notification to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded every week. We'll allow our soup to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes and then once we are done blending our tomatoes, we'll be straining it. We'll then add about 1 to 1.5 liters of water to it, cover it up and allow it to cook until the foamy film begins to reduce. We'll then add some fresh pepper for some added heat, some salt to taste, and once our foamy film begins to disappear, it means our soup is almost done. We'll then be placing our seasoned fish into the soup and allow it to simmer on very low heat for about 10 minutes. And our soup is done. Another simple, easy, and lekker recipe you can make at home. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet, and please turn on your notification to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded every week. You can have this with fufu as I'm about to have here, or you can also have it with rice, with yam, or just drink it on its own. All this goodness. Yeah. Enjoy. See you later. Bye.